All right,
Hey,
good morning. We are back at White Clay. There was a little trail, I guess, that was coming off a gravel path in my last video. Cut to the left. We're gonna take that and bomb back down towards the parking lot, and then we are gonna try Tri-Valley Trail for the first time, which is across the street from the Possum Hill parking lot. So, good times, and we'll see what happens. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. We got Enrique Flores leading us today. We got my wife trailing. She'll probably be passing me soon.
Yeah, that's it. Right, babe?
Yep.
Yeah, that little bump right there. Real good.
You got this, babe.
Oh my! Well, that's the first. I got the first one over.
Oh my goodness.
We'll see. This is our scope out.
Yeah.
I want to hit this coming down.
Man, I didn't know that.
We're still getting better at it, though. Yep. You got it, baby. You got it, babe. Good job. Good job. Bad line. That was my wife's first time taking that little drop.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Climbing that is a
Fun times.
it's a fun time, yeah.
Cool. Here comes those whoops. So that Rudy section, we usually pause there. Yeah. Thank you. She's the last one. Hi, buddy. Thank you. Coming up. Yeah.
Ooh. With these, if you would think about it, it's all about line choice.
Go ahead, babe.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
I can just take my time.
Yep. That was me. I did that. There's some spots up here with the blind spots I tried to clear too. Thanks, guys. One more after me. There you go. Thank you, guys.
Hey, you're welcome.
All right.
Enjoy your hike.
Okay. Oh, roots. Sharp right, drop. Yo.
Nice.
Woo.
Have the proper knowledge, you know?
Correct. Oh wow, okay.
Careful here.
Yeah.
Good to go.
All right. You're good, babe. Watch a branch. Okay. Oh, there they are. Nice. Which way? Which side are you taking? Okay.
I'll do the small one first. So like if this is a 29er.
Ooh.
Right there.
Look at that.
Yeah. You're going over right there.
Right
Yeah.
there. That's a very. I mean, you might be able to pull it off, but I'm.
What if you jump it?
That's a big huck to flat.
What do I know?
Yeah, that's a big. I mean, there's people that probably do it.
Yeah.
I'm too scared.
No, I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
I know that.
I'm not doing it.
I'm 37 now. Yeah. Okay.
I saw.
No, I'm gonna do the outside of the first one, skip the second, and then do the lower part of the third one.
Bring down your gear a little bit. Too high up.
Okay. All right.
If you want, just
Need more, right?
one more. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Good. That's so that you can get more power. Otherwise, if it's too easy,
Too spinny. I'm not gonna.
You're not gonna get enough power.
Cool. Yeah, man. All right, babe.
Rolling.
All right, we gotta do it again. Take two.
Let's try to hit that middle one.
He's just gonna tow me in. We're gonna do like a little 2-car train. Yeah, I heard.
Those are the ones that make you laugh the most. It's like, what?
All right, we're going. I'm going outside. I'm going outside. Okay. You're clear.
You taking rocks?
You guys okay?
Yeah, we were just session.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. Enjoy, guys.
Yeah, there's more down there.
How are you guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Ready for another one?
Audience. No pressure.
No pressure. All the pressure.
Yeah, right.
This one scares the hell out of me. The middle one, right? This one, the ramp at the higher part, I don't know how you even get up it without. It's got to get a lot of momentum going.
Yeah, but that's the problem. When you fail, you're going too fast.
You want to try, babe? Try the outside? Yeah, this is my first time doing it. Enrique's kind of towing me in. Yeah. So I'm doing the outside of it on the first one. skipping the second one and just doing the third. Right up, just right up here. And then just come off. Back. Nice job. Here they come. We were waiting for you guys.
Yeah. I'll take the little. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Nice.
Good dog.
Yeah, so I want to make sure who's coming.
Oh yeah? Yeah, we've never ridden through.
This one?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. You know,
The one on the right, it looks easy.
yeah, that one on the right is easy.
And then cut to the left.
Yep.
Okay. You'll see it. Go to the right on the first one. My shoe came off.
Fell off.
Ow!
You gotta take a picture of that.
I hopped. My shoe came off.
I have no idea, but I'm glad I went around.
Ah, that hurt.
You okay?
Yeah, my foot.
Came off.
Yeah. It got caught there. Are you really videoing?
No, I just took a picture.
And then from here, rather than step on this, I Supermaned. Damn it.
Okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm good. I think I got a shinner
On the,
on the pedals. Oh, yeah. I think I'm bleeding under there. I gotta retie these.
That was awesome. I wish I could.
Well, I got it.
you got it under.
Oh, I'm adding that.
Oh man, that was great.
Damn, man.
You were saying it, and I was like, I can't see anything, so I'm glad I didn't follow. I was like, oh, I'll just take this little line right here.
Yeah, there's different ones.
My foot, yep, came up, caught me, and I flew off. Are you serious? Oh, yeah, that one looks easy. Famous last words. Hey, man. If you're not falling, you're not trying stuff.
Exactly.
Downhill. Oh, yeah.
Oh, fun.
We climbed up this.
We're gonna go through these trees.
Yeah, slowly, but we made it. Yeah, babe, we climbed up this. We're all done. We did Tri-Valley. That was super fun. Thanks again, Enrique. You know, leading the way, kind of calling out features, helping us roll a couple things. The rock features, we'll be back for that.
Which I did another one, by the way.
She did another one. Wasn't on camera. We'll have to get it on camera next time. Hope you enjoyed my Superman jump. Hence why I'm wearing the sleeves and the full legs.
Yeah.
Yeah, just as always, trying to get a little bit better each time. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out. And as always, enjoy the ride.